Hello YouTube. Uh, Here's how it goes. Got a surprise for you guys. I ordered so many freaking tortoises today. And here's how it is. It's probably the biggest unboxing on YouTube. So you guys stay tuned, okay? You guys stay tuned. So here we have the first unboxing, and the second, and the third. But once I unbox these, you guys will see what's inside. I will guarantee all of them are tortoises. And among these, I have 4. No, you know what? No spoiler alert. Anyway, all of them will be worth around 20 grand. So, I'm gonna unbox them right now and see what's inside. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh man. I guess not. Okay, after I unbox them, I'll record it again.